Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng pumunta. And para sa last song po namin, may tatawagin lang po, magpapasama lang po ako sa ano. Okay. Angela.
Naglag yung cellphone.
Ito.
Isa gago.
Pagsusulit ng bawal magburaw sigurado lang kopyahan kahit isang tanong lang naman Kaya ba, ano ba, sino pa, sige na Lalo pa, isa ba, ano na, sure ba, o anay Layan ang dalihan na Sabi ko, yawan na lang ngayon nagbunga ang pag-ibig
Padaling ikay nagbuhat ng tinang Ngayon ako'y mapapansin sa'yong iba nag-aiba
Na right man is wrong Kung di alam ay wawalaan
Pag-isipang mabuti Kanya pa,
Ano na,
sure na ba
sige na Ang ayoko na naman Sure na ba?
O anay
Wala nang balian na tayo magtinuloy Wala nang balian na tayo magtinuloy Tayo magtinuloy Para sa pagsusulit Kumpletuhin ang
Pag-isipang mabuti
pagkat isang tanong lang naman
Kanya
Ang ayoko na naman ma-feel out of place
ano na
Sure na ba? Tayo magtinulis Wala nang balik Wala nang balikan na tayo magtinulis Sige na, ang ayoko na naman ma-feel out of place
ano na
Ang balikan na tayo magtinulis Magtinulis Wala nang balikan na tayo magtinulis
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much for having us here. It's literally an honor. Nakuha ko ba mag-joke, no?
Sakto nga yung joke mo.
Okay, let's hear it one more time for Ramjel, everybody. Ramen Angeles and Angela Muji. Hi, Tusa. Nice to see you again.
Hello.
You, hi. Okay, so we have your Angela and Ramen. That was such nakakakilig na performance. Thank you so much for sharing your talent and your beauty for it tonight and in this afternoon celebration. What would you like to say to all your fans? Napakadaming mga Ramjels here ngayong hapon.
I just want to thank everyone for coming here. So
sobrang saya po na ang dami niyo po dito. Hindi po namin in-expect. And sana mag-enjoy lang po tayo dahil marami pa po kayong aabangan today.
Pero pwede mo namin pa-picture dito. Okay
Picture
lang.
tayo, please.
Picture tayo. Go.
Alright, let's take a groupie with the Rabsha and the Rabsha fans.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, one more, everybody.
One more po. Thank you.
Okay, more photos with Rabsha. Everyone, please raise your photos, yung mga signs ninyo. And of course, if you guys have the LED signs, raise it so that we can see it through the photos. Okay, more. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, more. Now holding the honor coins. Okay, Rajal, now we have a request lang. Can you please stand here in the middle? We'll just take a photo from the stage and the camera guys that is there at the center of the stage. So just raise your phones if you guys have that with you so that we can see that. Yes? All right, 3, 2, 1, smile. Thank you very much to all our native friends, to everybody who are capturing the photos here that's happening while you're on stage, everything that's happening, all the activities, and thank you so much for supporting the artists. Again, make some noise for Robin, Angeles, and Angela Bucci! Wow! Such incredible moment with these two. Maraming salamat. It's really an honor to have you both here on stage. Thank you, Robin. Thank you, Angela. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Alam ko sa tuwing na